For centuries, a set of sacred frequencies ranging from 396 Hz to 852 Hz have each carried a unique spiritual significance and potential for profound healing and spiritual transcendence. Known as the Solfeggio Frequencies, exposure to these ancient tones can help restore balance and harmony by aligning the body's vibrations with these frequencies and fostering a deeper connection to the metaphysical. They work on a cellular level and stimulate vibrational patterns within your body and wider energetic field to synchronize you with universal, cosmic energy. With origins dating back to medieval Europe, it was in the 11th century when Benedictine monk Guido d'Arezzo sought to develop a musical teaching system for Gregorian chant singers. Using syllables like do, re, mi, fa, sol, and la to represent musical notes, d'Arezzo introduced the solfege system. These 6 frequencies impart a mystical resonance, and their vibrations were believed by monks to be a conduit to higher consciousness, a key to unlocking the secrets of the universe, and a tool for healing and personal transformation. Yet their therapeutic power was lost in the annals of time until they were rediscovered in the 20th century when Dr. Joseph Puglio and Dr. Leonard Horowitz stumbled upon them within the pages of Gregorian chants. Their remarkable exploration of these frequencies dives into the realms of both science and spirituality, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern understanding. In 1988, biochemist Dr. Glenn Rain unearthed a revelation that echoed the ancient knowledge of spiritual traditions. His quest led him to explore the impact of music on the very essence of human existence, our DNA. Dr. Rain embarked on a journey of experimentation, subjecting DNA vials to the melodies of 4 genres: ethereal Gregorian chants, sacred Sanskrit incantations, classical symphonies, and the electrifying rhythms of rock. Through the delicate measure of UV light absorption, a fundamental characteristic of DNA vitality, Dr. Rain unveiled the profound influence that each strain of music wields upon our very genetic code. For in the cadence of music, a subtle symphony of life, we unearth the power to heal, rejuvenate, and transform. Each solfeggio frequency is uniquely attributed to a different aspect of self-growth, be it physical healing, emotional release, or a journey towards higher consciousness. As you immerse yourself in the healing embrace of these frequencies, you allow their vibrations to awaken your dormant potential, much like the first rays of the sun kissing the earth at dawn. The sacred frequency of 396 Hz, known as Ut or Ut Quantlaxis, holds the power to liberate you from the shackles of fear and guilt that may have imprisoned your spirit for far too long, dissolving the negative energies that bind you and hinder your growth. 396 Hz helps you release the burdens of your past, offering a path to forgiveness, both of yourself and others, granting you the freedom to move forward unburdened. The second frequency, 417 Hz, is associated with facilitating change, breaking up stagnation, and promoting more positive outcomes in life. Known as Ray or Resonare fibrous, it carries the essence of change and renewal. 417 Hz reaches deep into your soul, gently unraveling the threads of stagnation that may have bound you, and guides you towards a brighter, more positive path. Referred to as the love frequency, 528 Hz repairs DNA, enhances life, and encourages transformation. As you bask in the loving embrace of 528 Hz, known as me or Mira Gestorum, you are drawn closer to the source of all creation, to a state of profound inner peace, and to the infinite potential for love and transformation that resides within each of us. Associated with relationships and connecting with others on a deeper level, 639 Hz promotes understanding and harmony. As you surrender to the soothing tones of 639 Hz, far or family-turum heals by fostering harmonious connections with others, whether it be in friendships, partnerships, or family relationships. It encourages you to embrace empathy, to listen with an open heart, and to seek common ground. The sacred frequency, 741 Hz, known as Sol or Solfeggio, holds the transformative power to purify the mind, body, and spirit, like the gentle waters of a pristine stream. Resonating with the universal principle of purification, 741 Hz invites you to release negative energies, toxic thoughts, and emotional burdens, leading you towards a state of greater clarity, harmony, and holistic healing. Facilitating a profound connection to the higher realms of existence, 852 Hz opens a gateway to spiritual insight and self-discovery. Known as aurally-inspired, it encourages you to transcend the limitations of the material world and adopt a state of exquisite inner peace for spiritual growth. In the serene notes of 852 Hz, you find the remarkable power to awaken your inner wisdom, to connect with universal consciousness, and emerge stronger, wiser, and more harmonious with the divine vibrations. To embark on a healing journey with Solfeggio Frequencies, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can immerse yourself in the soothing embrace of these ancient tones. Begin by selecting the specific Solfeggio frequency that resonates with your intention. Close your eyes, take deep, cleansing breaths, and let go of the tensions and distractions of the outside world. Whether you're listening to it as a musical composition or as pure tones, let the vibrations permeate every cell of your being. Visualize the energy of the frequency enveloping you, cleansing you of negativity, and restoring balance to your body and soul. Allow your chosen frequency to wash over you like a gentle, healing wave. As you welcome the resonance of the Solfeggio frequency, focus on your intention for healing and transformation. It could be physical healing, emotional release, or a journey towards higher consciousness. Trust the power of these ancient frequencies to guide you on your path. Let them resonate with the very essence of your being, igniting a profound reemergence from within. With patience, dedication, and belief in the healing power of sound, Solfeggio frequencies can become a potent tool on your voyage towards well-being and spiritual awakening. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Remember to always live well and live abundantly.